Pasu cones. Behind me there are the mountains which are called Pasu cones. Unfortunately, part of them are in the clouds, but this is not a problem. Still, they are so magnificent, amazing, and powerful. And as you can see, also we have Hussaini suspension bridge, which is called one of the most dangerous bridge in the world. It's above 30 meters above the level of the river. It has 472 deaths. But as you can see, there's also a long line of the people. It's so popular place. So I don't know if I will manage to go on this bridge, but it's also very spectacular views from here. Behind there's also a zip line. So if somebody doesn't want to cross a bridge on the feet, they can use a zip line and have some scary moments. Guys, now I'm going on the zip line across Hussaini suspension bridge. I will go both ways, so I will be not going back on the bridge. And it's gonna be quite an adventurous thing that happened to me here in Pakistan during recording our show Dil Hai Pakistani. Okay guys, I survived first part of the Hussaini suspension bridge. Okay, my hands are shaking. Heads, I don't know, legs are shaking. But now I'm going up for the next spot to be back on the port that when I started.